Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to set up a target cost per lead goal in the Facebook Ads Manager. In order to do that, we just need to get started with setting up a new campaign. After we have chosen our objective and gone through to the overview section of the ad campaign, ad set, and ad itself, we go into the ad set level, which is the second layer in the campaign setup. Once we have chosen our conversion location, we then scroll down until we see the cost per result goal. And this is where you can set a target cost per results goal or target cost per lead in this example. So let's say we want to get leads at a target cost per results goal for $30. All we need to do is click away from the tab once we have entered in the cost per results goal, and this will now display the target cost per results goal that we have set up. And once we publish our campaign, Facebook will then try to find you leads that will come in at a target cost per result goal of $30 or less. And that's all there is to it for setting up a target cost per lead goal.